master degree. Now, obviously, if you're looking to become a leader, then an MBA is perfect for you. If you're looking to develop research skills and problem solving abilities, then a DBA is ideal for your goals. And if you're looking to quickly gain upskilling in a specific domain, then a PG course is ideal for you. Now it is time for a poll. Aisha, on to you.
So here's the first poll. Which course fits your career goals? There are 4 options: MBA, DBA, Masters, and then PG.
Do answer the polls so that we can see which academic offering of ours has the highest approval rate in our audience today.
Yes. Yes, MBA is in the highest demand.
That is great. So let us move on. I've noticed that Uniathena's academic programs are all from European universities, and this is very advantageous to you. But why do European qualifications matter? The first advantage is that they come with practical assessments. So the knowledge that you receive at a European degree program will never be bookish knowledge that you cannot apply in real life. You will only be equipped with actionable insights that will make you ready to tackle industrial challenges. The second advantage will be ECT acceptability. So European degree programs follow the ECT systems, which means that for modules that you complete, you will get a certain number of ECT credits. The advantage of this is that if you are not able to complete a program at your university for whatever reason, and you need to continue your education at another university, you can actually transfer the credits that you earned at the first university to your program at the second university. This means that your progress will not be lost, and you can continue studying from wherever you left off. Now, the third advantage is early exit awards. So European qualifications come with early exit awards. Now, let's say for whatever reason, you are not able to complete your degree program and you have to leave it. And you're also not able to complete it at another university. In this case, you can opt to get an early exit award. So you can get a lesser qualification depending on the amount of course completion you have achieved. So this could be a qualification like a graduate certificate, for example. This means that the progress that you have made so far will not go to waste, and you will have still gained something from your learning experience. The next advantage is APL. Now, APL stands for Accredited Prior Learning. Now, if you're an experienced professional who has industry knowledge on a domain of your program, you don't need to take that domain or that module again when you are doing that program. You can actually use your experience to avoid that domain and go for the domains that will help you benefit in developing your skills. Now, the next advantage is, of course, flexible learning. European programs are designed for professionals who live busy lives. So they are definitely completely flexible for you. And the last advantage is that they come with shorter course durations. Now, as professionals, everyone is always very busy and we want to get our results done as quickly as possible. So with a European qualification program, you can complete your courses much faster than with any other degree program. Now, of course, as a professional, upskilling can look like this. You can be met with high tuitions. There will be rigid learning structures which are not fit for your schedule. And sometimes the learning can be on-site, which means that you will have to be there in person, which is not convenient. But with Uniathena and with European qualification programs, your learning experience can look like this. Now, we are Uniathena. We prioritize flexible, affordable, and accessible learning. We are under Westward Education Group, and we were founded in 2019 as a way for professionals to upskill easily and quickly. We have 1.5 million learners in over 140 countries, and we have more than 600 courses available on our platform. Now, these are some of our learning partners and accreditations. As you can see, they're all extremely prestigious and highly respected in their fields. Now, Of course, higher education comes with its barriers, but it can be overcome with Uniathena's degree programs. The first advantage is that our degree programs are extremely affordable. In addition to those rates, we also offer pay per module options. This means that you only need to pay for the module that you're studying at the moment so that you do not have to pay a lump sum. This will go easy on your finances and you will be able to take your learning at a much more comfortable pace. The second advantage of Uniathena's degree program is that it is very flexible, which is perfect for a very busy professional. We offer self-paced learning. This means you can study whenever you want, as per your individual schedule. We also offer bite-sized modules, so that modules are shorter in size so that you can go through them faster. The next advantage is 100% online delivery. For everyone around the world who is not able to make it to a university, this is perfect. You only need an internet connection and a computer to be able to complete your course. The final advantage of our degree program is our 7-day free trial. If you want to pursue an academic program from us, but if you're not sure that it'll benefit you for your career goals, then you can take our free trial for 7 days and make sure that that is the degree program for you. In that way, you will not be investing your money in a program that you are unsure about. So our MBA programs will be the first academic offering that we will discuss today. They are offered by Aberdeen University of UK, GMU of Italy, and UCAM of Spain. All are European universities. Now we offer a variety of interesting and in-demand domains. Our international business is actually one of our best-selling domains. We also offer quality management, construction and safety management, operations and project management, marketing management, data analytics, general management, and blockchain management. All of these domains are very highly sought after by employers of today. Now we will discuss our next offering, which is the Doctorate of Business Administration, or our DBA programs. Our DBA programs are offered by UCAM, Spain. Now, a doctorate in business administration can be extremely useful for a variety of reasons. Now, the first benefit is that if you want to do in-field research, you want to gain research-oriented experience, problem-solving experience, then a DBA will equip you with those skills. The next advantage of a DBA is if you are a senior level professional who is looking to complement your career with a degree, then this doctorate is perfect for you. The next advantage of a DBA is that it will boost your teaching prospects. If you as a professional are interested in pursuing higher education as a career and teaching in universities, then a DBA program is perfect for you. Now, the next advantage of a DBA is as a last win. Now, as a seasoned professional, if you're nearing retirement and you want an academic achievement that will be like a cherry on top of your incredibly long and experienced career, then a DBA is perfect for you. Finally, a DBA will actually put you on the track for getting a promotion. Now, a DBA is an extremely prestigious career degree program, and it equips you with significant research and problem-solving skills, which is always impressive for any employer. Now, we offer two kinds of DBA courses. We have our Doctorate of Business Administration, which is actually the highest selling course at Uniathena. We also have the Integrated Doctorate of Business Administration, which is a combination of an MBA and a DBA. So it is the best of both worlds. Now, again, we have some interesting learner feedback from our IDBA learner who says that we provided them with the feeling of receiving a world-class education from the comfort of their own home, which we hope to provide to you as well. Now we will discuss our master offerings. Our master programs are given from Gurn American University and GMU Italy. Now these are the domains that we offer. We have courses for public administration, public health, construction management, international business law, engineering management, which is one of our best-selling domains, data science, which is an up-and-coming, highly popular, and a best-selling domain, procurement and contract management, another best-selling domain, and supply chain and logistics management. Here we have more learner feedback. This is from our student who is doing Master in Engineering Management, which is a very popular course at our platform. Now, this learner says that undertaking this course has instilled a sense of confidence in them, and confidence as a professional takes you very far. We also offer postgraduate certifications for learners who are looking to acquire proficiency in one domain quickly. So in our PG courses, we offer environmental health and safety management, which is a best-selling domain. We offer business analytics, which is highly popular in today's world. We also offer machine learning, which is also very popular. We also have project management, engineering management, human resources, procurement and contract management, and supply chain and logistics management. All of these are very highly sought after specializations in today's professional world. Here is our learner feedback. Now, our learner who is enrolled to our PG diploma in business analytics states that we have a comprehensive curriculum offering a wide range of topics from statistical analysis to data visualization. So at Uniathena, your education will be comprehensive and it will prepare you to succeed in the workplace. Now, our DBA learners had their graduation ceremony recently in Dubai. These are the pictures from the graduation ceremony.